Okay, so let's see what's in this list here. There's 28 essential tools for your home. So if you own a home, we got all kinds of tools that you could have, but these are what this author says is the most important. So we need a tape measure. Got to have a tape measure to what? Measure things. Now they're saying a 25-foot tape measure. That is probably dependent, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. There we go. 25-foot tape measure. Utility knife. Definitely need something to cut boxes and materials with. Stud finder. Yeah. For those homes with the wooden beams behind the walls, it's helpful to have a stud finder. A laser that shines in there tells you where they're at. Definitely need a power drill. Power drills are handy. All kinds of brands. I think the smaller, lighter ones would be better than the heavier ones. They're recommending a 1/2 inch cordless drill. So I'm going to add that in here too. So 1/2 inch cordless drill. There we go. Alright, let's get through all these things. A small tool bag. Yeah, you don't want a big, heavy metal tool bag or a big, long, rectangular one for the home. Just something light. Now they're also calling them tote, but I'll leave it as tool bag. A mallet. Now you notice this has got the rubber head and the wood handle. So the rubber heads gives you some different capabilities than the metal head than the normal hammer, which will probably be on here somewhere. There we go. 20-ounce hammer. So you notice this one's made of metal. I think there are heavier hammers, but they're recommending the 20. Hex keys. Those are good for many things. Furniture, assembling furniture. Outlets. There's a feature on both ends that you can use. Now they are recommending the L wrench. Oh, they're recommending both the standard and the metric set. So let me add that here, because they are different. So that's 2 sets, one for standard, one for metric. A level, they're recommending a 48 inch. Okay, so that's a 4-foot beam level. 4 foot, so that'll be shorter than some people, but it has the levels on there. Looks like this one has 3 levels, 1, 2, 3, and some handles. Screwdriver. Now they're recommending a 6-in-1 screwdriver, which is just smart. It's good to have a little bit more features in such a small, compact space. What is this? Screwdriver set? Oh, they're recommending different sizes, different widths as well. So it looks like there's 3 Phillips and 4 flat. Again, for all kinds of purposes around the home. Varathane. What is that? That's the brand. The wood touch-up marker. Okay, so yeah, if you have cabinetry or wood floors, having shades of colors that can dye any discoloration is definitely helpful. A multi-tool, yeah, for multiple reasons. Some of these have like 21, 17, 12, 12-in-1 kind of design. A compact step stool. Yeah, because there's a lot of space above, or if you need to hang up pictures or anything. Now this has got 3 steps on it and a handle. I've seen some with just 2, but they fold flat, so you can store it behind a refrigerator or something, or underneath the bed even. A magnetic parts dish. Okay, so if you have screws or anything with iron in them, the magnet in the bottom of this should attract them, so you don't have them just scrolling around anywhere. Yeah, gotta have your wrench, and they're recommending the 8-inch. There's different sizes of wrenches too. Big ones, small ones, but that's a good decent size, the 8-inch, and you just take your thumb and it goes in and out. Yeah, they have a bunch of 4-piece plier sets at your local hardware store. This one is very useful. I would say this is called a needle nose. This one's a cutter. This one's, I don't know, for squeezing things, but this one, these two I think are the most useful. Oh, eye protection, yeah. Gotta have some eye protection. If you're dealing with sawdust or glass or something like that, I want to call them eye safety goggles. Oh, caulk gun. There you go. Now that's 10 to 1. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is, but some type of caulking gun. Because you put the caulk on there and it comes out at the end. Okay, yeah, so once you put the caulk on, you need something to smooth it. You can use your finger, or you can use the 3-in-1 caulk tool. I'm guessing that's 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure. Yep, definitely get some shears. Now they're saying titanium shears. That's probably going to be a little bit lighter than stainless steel. But the sharpness is definitely the most important part. A yardstick. They do make wooden yardsticks as well. But it would be a little bit heavier, but still it feels pretty good in the hand. So this author seems to be recommending the aluminum though. But the yardsticks, that would be, 3 feet. They also have the metric as well. Now see that's for the long measurements, and this will be for the short measurements. So again, they're recommending a metal ruler. I would think that a wood ruler would, or plastic ruler would also be good, because it wouldn't mark up anything on the wall, scratches, prevent scratches and things. Drill bits, 30 piece. Yeah, so you never know what size of drill bit you need, or what shape on the end that you might need to go with your screwdriver or your drill. Mounts for hanging things. So if you like hanging picture frames, posters, small things that you can actually just take a screwdriver and screw it right in without needing any power drill. They also have the sticky ones that could go on the walls for light. I'm going to rename this for light things. So I'm going to say wall anchors, wall mount anchors. There we go. Duct tape. Sometimes you'll see those pronounced as duck, or with a T, duct tape, but really I think they started out as duct tape for the galvanized or metal tubes in your home that transport the air. Alright, I think we made it. So 28 essential tools for your home. Let's see if we can organize these a little bit. So we have a ruler for measuring things, a yardstick for measuring things. We have your caulk gun, caulk tool, and your caulking gun, your shears for cutting things, your pliers could be, I'll do it group by handheld. So you can hold your shears, you can hold the pliers, adjustable wrenches. Now these magnetic dishes would probably go with the maybe the small tool bag and the screwdriver, 7-piece screwdriver, multi-tool. Now the wood touch-up is kind of, I would say, up here with the caulking maybe. The step stool, you know, that and the eyeglasses can kind of go together. 1/2-inch cordless drill, let's put him down here. Walls. Well, you know what? You would need a step stool to hang things on the walls, so that's good. And your duct tape can be used for all kinds of places, so we'll put him up here. Here's a measuring tape, utility knife, something you can hold and cut, so we'll put that here. Drill bits, hammer, so we got a couple hammers, hex wrenches, 48-inch box beam level. Oh, let's throw that in the stud finder, you know. So if you're going to hang things on the wall, you might need a stud finder and a level to do that. 25-foot tape measure. So, okay, well, let's make this a little bit prettier here. And then we will wrap up. So we got the caulk. I got the wood touch-up kit, the metal ruler, the aluminum. So many uses here on all of these items. It's a good list. So let's finish this up, and hopefully if you're missing one of these things in your toolbox, you can get that small tool bag. Let me put him up here first, and then you can put all these tools in there. And you could order these too on what you should get first, but maybe we'll do that in another episode here. So screwdriver, multi-tool, cordless drill. That one takes electricity. Hex wrenches, magnetic dish. Let's put him, well, he would be with the screws. Trying to think what else is like a hammer, and mallet for whacking. We'll leave them alone. Alright, there you have it. 28 essential tools for your home.